Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Git is installed and you have a GitHub account. Once done, open your project folder and initialize version control with Git in it, then stage and commit your files so history begins. Next, create an empty repository on GitHub and add its remote URL locally with git remote add origin URL. This connects your local work to the cloud so you can push changes. Make the first commit meaningful so future diffs are clear. You now organize changes. Create a named branch for the feature to avoid disturbing main. Make a git ignore so sensitive files and large artifacts don't get tracked, and explain why, clean history and smaller clones. Stage, commit with clear messages, and set up authentication. Choose SSH keys for convenience or a personal access token for HTTPS. Once authenticated, push your branch with git push uorigin feature /name, so you finish by opening a pull request from your branch to main, add reviewers, and resolve merge conflicts if they appear. This enforces code review. After merging, create a version tag and push tags so releases are trackable. Finally, verify the repository, check CI builds, and confirm files are present. If something goes wrong, authentication errors are common. Check your remote URL with git remote v. Ensure your SSH key is loaded or your personal access token is valid, and re-authenticate before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.